Hello everybody, Collier Swecker in Birmingham, Alabama. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Wanted to touch base with everybody that may or may not have a vacant home. We're seeing more and more vacant homes, whether it be for job transfers. They gotta be in Los Angeles, gotta be in Cleveland, what have you. You have a vacant house. It could be an old rental that's gone vacant, doesn't have a tenant, and it's now vacant. But more particularly, we're finding more and more just homeowners that for their primary residence that has now vacant, and what you need to pay particular attention to is the fact that your insurance policy may not cover you if it's been vacant for more than 30 days. So you really need to pay attention to that, and whether or not that your insurance policy now says, since it's changed its occupancy status from you living in the property to it being vacant, if it's being classified as a vacant property and you need to get an updated policy and find out what you need to do, particularly in instances of when it's vacant and it gets burglarized, if it's vacant and it burns down. Those are two areas. I know they sound like, duh, that's what we have insurance for, but more particularly, those are the type things that even the updated policy for it being vacant would cover. And at the end of the day, I go, well, isn't that really the two things I'm really most worried about? So whether or not you're actually getting good coverage, I'm sure for the right amount of premium, they'll cover you all the way around. But pay particularly close to that, attention to that, and don't just shove it under the rug, because if you're going to leave it vacant, make sure you're insured, because if you can't monitor the property, I mean, by golly, if something does happen, you want to make sure that it's so easy to call your local insurance agent and have them help you process that claim on the property. So just remember, check with that insurance agent on vacant properties. Anyway, if you got questions, comments, email me. Collier@megaagentrealestate.com. Have an awesome day.